Hello everyone, Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here inside the Highland Weather Studios. I need to get right to it. We have a big threat for severe weather today, and I want to go ahead and get talking to you guys about it. Latest weather headlines that we have right now. Today we have a chance of scattered, strong to severe thunderstorms, large hail, isolated tornadoes, and the wind threat remains very high. Taking a look first at a severe weather outlook today, we can see our East Tennessee counties are currently under an enhanced risk for severe weather, which is at least a 3 out of 5 risk, which means that we'll get to shortly of what the chances are, what makes this mainly driven with the other half of our coverage region being in a slight risk of 2 out of 5, which is a lower risk from the enhanced, but still we do have that greater chance. So please stay weather aware throughout today. I do want to talk about a wind outlook. We can see the probability is 30 to 44% in our East Tennessee counties. While our coverage area, the entire rest of our coverage area, we can see at least 15 to 29%, which means that all these strong to severe thunderstorms that are going to move into the broadcasting area, we can see those strong to straight line winds that are going to be moving in. So just be prepared today before those storms move in. Just get anything that you don't want to be blown away inside. Make sure that everyone gets inside just to be ready for the storms. Get every single thing that you need outside, inside. We do have that tornado risk as well. We also have a 5 to 9% chance for our entire coverage area, but our East Tennessee counties still remain relatively greater, with a 10 to 14% chance. So much of our coverage area, almost our entire coverage area, can see these chances for tornadoes. So please be weather aware throughout today. If you live in a tornado prone area, just be prepared. A warning may be issued. If it was, we will be live on the Highland Weather channel continuous until the warning is lifted. Taking a look at today's severe hail outlook, we can see we are still relatively in the greater side, at least 15 to 29% chance for our entire western North Carolina, upstate South Carolina, northeast Georgia counties, but the chances remain relatively very high, 30 to 44% chance for our East Tennessee counties. Here's a little bit more in depth. We can see our wind forecast will be medium to high risk. Our hail will be medium to high risk. Tornado is relatively lower but to medium, but our flooding remains relatively low. So out of all right now, we can see that it's mainly hail and wind driven. But those tornadoes still remain number one that we'll continue to watch. But a wind and hail threat are still the number one things that we should probably expect throughout tonight. Now, if we take a look at our first cup weather forecast, we can see 7 through 10 a.m. will be mostly sunny skies with temperatures in the mid 60s to upper 60s around 10 a.m. with winds to the southeast around 4 to 5 miles an hour. Taking a look at our afternoon drivecast, the storms start really moving in around 4 or 5 p.m. in our East Tennessee counties, with temperatures really warm in the lower to mid 80s, even not surprising, reaching around 84 degrees today. So with those hot temperatures come those strong and severe thunderstorms, because it's the amount of heat as in the atmosphere can get those storms to move and start up. Looking at today's weather forecast, we can see Hendersonville mostly sunny 82, Burnsville thunderstorms 81, Waynesville mostly sunny 79, Bryson City thunderstorms 83, and Greenville Spartanburg mostly sunny 83. Now I want to go ahead and take a look at tonight's weather forecast. We can see strong to severe thunderstorms are almost likely for much of our region, with lows in the upper to mid 50s, with winds south 9 to 14 with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. So we're going to see isolated power outages throughout today. Just be prepared, get those flashlights ready. Just be prepared today and tonight. But I do want to take a look at our future cast starting off this morning around 5 a.m. We can see the scattered showers just relatively showing up and moving out. 9, 10 a.m. we can start seeing those moderate heavy rainfall starting to move into our East Tennessee counties. This is just the beginning of it. just affecting our East Tennessee counties. But as we continue on throughout 4 or 5 p.m., we can see those strong severe thunderstorms starting to make its way into East Tennessee around 8, 9 p.m., affecting most of our East Tennessee counties. But around 9, 10, 11, 12, we can see those storms start dissipating around once it hits western North Carolina. But around 1, 2 a.m., we can see those storms starting to really develop again and around Wednesday and just making its way throughout the region. So just be prepared as the storms still continue to move in around the morning hours throughout tomorrow. So just be prepared. The rain still continues on throughout tomorrow. I won't be surprised if much of us see rumbles of thunder around 8 a.m. Just something to be prepared about. Taking a look, and we do have that wind advisory for our East Tennessee counties near Newport and Knoxville with winds south 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusts up to 40 miles an hour possible. Now taking a look at our 7-day forecast. Tuesday remains a weather warning day. Weather warning day. This is our highest risk that we put on the Highland Weather Channel to get you prepared. Temperatures around in the mid 80s and lows around 50. But the wind continues through Wednesday and Friday, with temperatures in the upper 50s to upper 40s with lows in the lower to mid 30s. I'll get to tomorrow with our chance for snow showers Wednesday night. Saturday for the Raleigh Howell Foundation 4-mile alert, we can see temperatures in the mid 50s and lows in the upper 20s. Sunday will be sunny, highs around 64, lows around 38, and Monday mostly sunny, highs around 69. So please be prepared throughout today. Have multiple ways to receive weather warnings, watches, and advisories. The Highland Weather Channel will stream live continuous coverage 24/7 throughout today. And just be prepared. If any warnings are issued, the Highland Weather Channel will bring you live real-time weather alerts for much of our coverage region. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Stay weather aware. Keep it tuned to the Highland Weather Channel as we will keep you advised on the latest. Remember, the Highland Weather Channel is weathering one storm